Welcome to the tutorial overview on vendor notifications and communications within RFP+. In this video, I will show you how to keep your vendors notified of updates or changes to an RFP, as well as where to track those conversations. Starting at the submission of an RFP, once you assign it to the vendor, they will automatically receive an email notifying them. You can select one or more attachments to be included in that email separately. From there, any replies that the vendor makes will go directly back to the email that is tied to your account in RFP+. To the vendor, nothing is different, but for the admin or stakeholder, there is a convenient way to see and keep track of those conversations, including any separate attachments. From the admin dashboard, navigate to the Communications drop-down menu and select the Message Inbox. From here, you can filter to see email replies from other admins or stakeholders, and more importantly, from your vendors. You can select to see replies from anyone associated with a particular vendor, or search by person to see emails from a particular contact with a vendor. Expand the conversation by clicking on it, and you will see the entire back and forth, including separate attachments. You can also conveniently find the RFP ticket that the conversation is tied to from here. That conversation is also duplicated into the ticket as well under the Conversations tab. This concludes the tutorial overview on vendor notifications and communications. Be sure to check out the video on RFP dashboards and reports.